Liam will love that picture. Send it to him, please.
Don't eat it.
I'm not.
What is it?
A worm.
What kind?
The long-inched worm.
Go ask Uncle Danny what kind it is, then come back. Is it a red or a wiggler? Well, come here and tell me.
This is a night crawler.
Why is it awake in the daytime?
I don't know.
Don't kiss it.
I'm not.
You gonna let a fish eat it?
No.
Huh? Your daddy gonna let a fish eat it?
Well, I'm just gonna show it to him.
What'd you do?
Kiss it.
Yeah.
But I didn't swallow its spit. I did this.